Yo, hello guys and welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can actually reset villager traits. So let's get ahead and open Minecraft and go into our game. But first let me tell you that I'm using the 1.18 version. If you have any oldest version it can work for you, and if you have any newest version it will be working for you as well. So make sure that you are following me step by step and do not lose any moment, and so you cannot do any mistake and must watch the video all over again. So let's get ahead and get some villagers. Let's here something like so, and yeah, let's say that this villager, he doesn't have any job, so let's give him something. He will become a farmer, I think. Yeah, probably he will become a farmer, or enchanter. Okay, that's nice. Let's wait and wait for him. Nice. Now after he became a weaponsmith, now what you can do is start trading with him. So let's get some coal like so, emerald like so, and let's start trading. Let's put this here, put this here, put this here, and now let's wait for him until he shows the particles, and just like so. Let's make it max level. Okay, let's spam the coal, let's spam it more and more until you see it. So now as you can see he stopped letting me trading with him with coal. What you can do basically is you really can't reset it by your own or some method. All you can do is wait for him like to sleep or to wake up, then you can find the trades again. Or if it didn't work for you, you can wait like couple of days. It will not take too long for you to have the same enchantment, the same trades again, but it will take a couple of days for you to have it again reset it. So you can't really automatically by hand, but it will be by the end of the day reset by its own. Let's check. Oh, it's not, because again, as I said, it will be after a couple of days in Minecraft. I mean, not in real life, by the way, guys, in Minecraft. And yeah, after a couple of days in Minecraft it will be resetted, and he also give you some decent discounts after he stop like giving you like this trade. He will give you discounts on other trades. So yeah guys, that was this tutorial for today. If you liked, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.